Hello, dear friends. We're online. For a start, as always, I want to check everything. Okay, great. I see that all of you are here. Great, friends. Push like, please. Push like when you see this webinar. Just push like and write hello, Yuri. I'm from, for example, I'm from United Kingdom. Hello, Yuri. My name is my name is Petra. I'm from Spain. Just write. Just push like, say hello, and write your name. When I will see that you are in with me, I will start. Also, friends, for a start, I want to tell you about myself. Why you should listen this webinar. You need to know that I'm one of top trading view authors. My overviews attract a few thousand views each of them, and also here on TradingView you can find my trading setups which I post for free, and you can use it, and it's my trading plans. Also, I worked 1 year in a fixed broker, and I saw a different path, a different part of all trading. Okay. Yes. Hello, Mihail. Nice to see you here. Okay. Yes, hi from Turkey, from Ukraine, hi from Mexico, India. Great friends. It's all world. It's how many continents? India, America, Europe. Yes. Hello. Yes, hello from Romania. Great to see all of you here, friends. Write please. What instruments would you like to see? Would you like me to analyze? And after that, I will start. Today we will do Forex, cryptocurrency, and index if someone would like to see it. And also also I want to tell you, if you would like to learn how to trade properly as I do, also you can check my thoughts on TradingView, how I analyze the market, how I open entries, my accuracy, how I do it. You can write to me and ask about education, about my mentorship. First session, first lesson is for free, where I can analyze your trading and your approach. Just use this context to write to me, and also you can use this context to write to us. Okay. 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 Okay, friends. Let's start from British pound. Of course, we will do. Okay, let's start from major currency pairs. Yes, from Dubai, forecast, please. Yes, we will do British pound, Japanese yen. Of course, there will be Bitcoin, there will be cryptocurrencies, but it will be in second part of this webinar. You can be here and you can see how I analyze the market and see my approach. Gold, okay, what else? Okay, friends, let's start from major currency pairs on Forex. As always, I do through TradingView because charts here is really pretty nice. Okay, first let's start from currency, from Forex currency pairs. Euro USD, as always, it is our major currency pair. Okay, friends, about Euro USD, as you see, price bounced on Monday from this key level, and let's take a look what's going on. If to be honest, we don't need a volume on Forex because it is not proper volume. Okay, as you see, price bounced from this level 1.1262, and now price is moving to next key level 1.1110. As you see, you can find this that Euro USD in this downward range. Take a look on this downward range, and to be honest, a huge probability that price will continue downward. At this moment, if be honest, I do not recommend to trade Euro USD because the daily range is really too small. Price moves 30 pips per day, and it is not enough to make profit. But if you want to make some profit to trade, just wait for a pullback and open sell and open sell. If you want, you can do such intraday entries. That's all. Uh, Really will be interesting how the price will react on this low. If there will be fake broke, we will be able to open buy. But if the price will break it down, we will have sell entry. Also about this key level, if the price will something will happen, some news will come, we'll be able to open really powerful buy entries only if the price will break this key level, because big players hold it and bounce it down to so many daily candles. Only in that case we will have really powerful up entry, but the main train is down. Okay, let's go to Japanese yen. I want to see. Okay, friends, Bitcoin, gold, you need to change screen. Okay, I start sharing my screen. Friends, yes, we can see your screen, Yuri. Okay, let's start again. Friends, better? Great. Let's start again. Bro, swap screen so we can see what you're talking about. Yes, I did it. Yes. Yes, I did it. Okay, let's do again about your USD, but I'll do it far more quickly. Friends, as you see, price in this downward channel, a huge chance that price just will continue this down move. That's all. And what you can do on intraday basis, just open sell after some pullbacks. For example, open 1 hour chart. For example, price make a pullback to intraday level, you open sell, take profit 30 pips to plus 15 pips, something like that. Only in these cases. About some long-term entries, it's hard to speak about long-term entries because, as you see, Euro USD in this horrible range, and huge chance that price will continue it. And next really powerful level will be only here. It will be 1.1023, and also here 1.08, and huge chance that price still will be in this range. That's why I do not recommend to trade euro at this moment. About buy, as I said, we can open buy when price will drop down to that levels, and next scenario it is if the price will break up this level, we will be able to open buy, because take a look how many times daily candles bounced from it. Right, please. uh, Guys, no, you're not too late because there was screen issues. Okay, friends, is it clear about euro USD? Maybe you have some questions, just write it into dialogue and I'll answer. Okay, let's open Japanese yen and take a look what happened. As you see, it looks like price made a U formation. Take a look what happened. Take a look here. Yes, price made this U formation, and on next week, huge chance that Japanese yen will continue up more. What we can do? Open buy after some pullback for a start. It's first part. Second part, we will need to see how the price will react on this level. If the price will when the price will come to this level and will break it up fixable, we will have we will be able to open new buy to continue up move, even to retest a high. If there will be a fake broke, there will be another sell entry. Okay, British pound, and Japanese yen. Okay, okay, thanks. Great to see that Euro USD is clear. Yes, I'll do British pound, Japanese yen. Okay. Friends, right, maybe you have some questions, you need something to clarify. Um, Is everything okay? Right, that for example, Euro USD good, Japanese yen good, British pound good, and for me it will be good because I will understand that you understood everything about British pound, Japanese yen. As you see, this powerful downtrend. It is really horrible stuff because price didn't make a good pullback to this key level. As you see, I had alert, but price didn't hit it. About this open, there is no any sell entry at this moment, and there is no any buy entry because price can continue this uh, trend down as many times as it want. But what we can do and what we should do. If be honest, I'm waiting for some level from which the price will be able to turn trend up. It is such levels like this, 137.848 and 135.880. Near these levels, I will looking for a buy entry. It will be clear buy entry. Also, there could be some other stuff, something like at this moment, you need to understand that we have powerful downtrend and mostly price continue trend move. What we can wait. For example, price will make some level after the down move and after that will break it up. Will create mirror level. Only in such case I will be able to open new buy. About sell also we need to wait on some level. For example, if the price will make some limit level, what is limit level? It is when price just bounces from one price many times in a row. For example, for you, I want to show you example for you how it could look. Because it is really pleasure to trade from me from limit levels. Take a look on this. As you see how many 1 hour candles in a row bounced from this level. It is good place which we should look in the market. The same stuff we can look, we can search at this moment. If we will find it, we will be able to open entry. That's why one more what I want to clarify. Price in downtrend, mostly price continue downtrend. That's why open sell after pullback. Buy entry will be only if the price will break up this channel. Better the best is to not looking for entries for buy at this moment, because when you will try to find trend change points, mostly you will get a stop loss. Better is when price will make first powerful up move, after pullback or after such fixation you will be able to open buy entry on a second wave. About euro Japanese yen. Okay, about euro Japanese yen. Also, as you see, take a look. Price is not near some key levels. It is really not good place to trade at this moment. Let's take a look. If be honest, as you see, price bounced from this key level. How many daily candles? Huge chance that price will make up move. Let's take a look on lower time frame. As you see, price in this downward channel. When price will break it out, you will be able to open entry to continue the trend. Because when price in some trend, better to not open entry against the trend. Just wait when price will break it out and will open entry. Okay, I have a burning question. How much did Okay, I have a burning question. How much data should one use? Should, how much data should one use? Okay. However, how much data should one use to draw his zones on charts? Say, like you are using a daily candle, should one have to play back to say month ago to draw zones? Yes, you need to use key levels from each price bounce it several times. It's first. Second, you should looking for trend change points. It's the second place, and the third is mirror levels. It is when there was support. After that, it's become resistant. Yes, you should use these levels and write your trading plans where you will trade. Because, for example, last week I had only eight opportunities where I would able to open entry, only eight, and I took only four of them. That's why you need to understand that you will not take all entries, and there is not a lot of really powerful key levels on the chart. Okay, we will do about this. Yes, yes, we will do about crypto, of course. Thank you very much for Mihai. Thank you for your reply. For me, it's really pleasure to read it. Okay, friends, let's go ahead. Let's go ahead. Canadian dollar. Canadian dollar. We will do really quickly because it's really a horrible currency pair at this moment. What you can do, take a look. What's going on? Price in only in range. Price, for example, price were in range here. After that, price in range here, in this range. It is really horrible instrument, and I do not recommend you to trade it at this moment. Okay, let's take a look about Australian dollar. Many of you know that on TradingView I wrote an idea about Australian dollar that price would continue down move because take a look on this level. Price bounces several times, broke it down, and continue down move. At this moment, price still in downtrend, and really next key level from which price can bounce, it is 0.6827. From this level, price can do something. We need to see how the price will react on it. If there will be fake broke, we will have good buy entry. That's all. Because price in a downtrend, and mostly price continue downtrend. That's why currently, after some pullback, open, sell, and when price will hit that level, wait on reaction. What is fake broke? It is when price break it, but eventually come back and close above. For example, 1 hour candle made a tail, but close above. After that, you just open buy. I will write about cryptocurrency in second part of this webinar. Yes, just stay here. Just stay here. We will do it in 15 minutes, something like that. Hi, my name is Yuri Bika. It's the name of company. It's not my second name. It is um, it is mutual name. What is your opinion about fundamental analysis? I see institutional traders use Bloomberg terminal to make the trading decision. Thank you very much. About news, you do not know which news how news will react influence on the price. What does it mean? That yes, news influence on the market. They bring new traders, and at that time, big players can make some really big things. But news do not drive the market. Market drives trade by traders, by humans. That means only guys who work in banks had the price. It's why news before all of us. and they already made their decision. That's why that's why what's going on. Z- and they made their decision. That's why they will not move the price because something like how it's better to say, because something like like unemployment change on half of percent. You need to understand that guys who work in JP Morgan, in Bank of America, in Bloomberg, in some institutional know about all money to make some profit. Okay, about yes, we will do S&P 500, British pound, Japanese yen. Okay, yes, we will friends, right? Please, do you hear me correctly or not? Because something good, good. Yes, it was my internet. I changed connection. Good. Let's continue. Yes, I check it. Okay, friends. Yes, I changed my connection. Everything will be good at this moment. Okay, let's continue. Mhm. About this question about I waves have weakness. I always execute my trades earlier too late or too early. You need to understand that you need to have step by step system and trade only according to that system. If you, for example, if you don't see a signal according to your system, you do not execute the trade. You do not open entry. You need to create your own trading edge. For example, I mostly trade a fake broke of key levels. What does it mean? I need, for a start, find a key level. Second, I wait for a fake broke. A third, I need enough potential profit. What does it mean? That I need to see where is the price. Do I have enough place so the price will move to another key level? Will I take my risk reward 1 to 3, 1 to 5, 1 to 10? You need to have the rules, and when some trade uh, is good according to that rules, you will just execute the trade. That's all. Okay, okay. Yes, we did. Okay, Swiss franc. Okay, okay, friends. Where is Swiss franc? Okay. About Swiss franc, situation is the same. Price approaching to a really good level, really powerful level. I wait on fake broke to open sell position because it will be entry with low risk and good potential reward. Price was here in this accumulation, broke it down, and near this place, if I will see something like this, I will open sell. You will be able to open sell with low risk and potential reward in 5 times bigger. It is best scenario at this moment. About buy, yes, of course, price can move buy, but this scenario is better at this moment. I do not see sell. I do not see buy opportunities at this moment. Sell is better, but if the price will break everything up, only in that case you will start look buy entries, but do not think about it at this moment. Okay, okay. What are the instruments most of you wrote about British pound, New Zealand? Yes. Okay, British pound versus New Zealand. Okay, really interesting stuff. I thought price would bounce it from this, but didn't do it. Uh, Downtrend. Take a look. Price in downtrend. Change it uptrend into downtrend. Mhm. And also, as you see, price bounced from this upward line. When price will break it down, you will be able to open sell entry, because if that will happen, it will be a second confirmation of new sell trend. That's why when price will break down this upward line, you will be able to open sell. And your goal first will be this low, after that this, and after that near this. Down. Mostly it will move down. Yes, so this I done. Yeah. Okay, about euro. I sent idea about euro USD, euro British pound. The price will break up this level and will continue up more. At this moment, really, there is no really good entries, place of entries. Um, Friends, you need to understand that price are in uptrend. Mostly price continue trend. Mostly. That's why huge probability that price will continue this trend and will hit this key level. And near this key level, if we will find fake broke, we will be able to open sell. It's really huge probability. But also price can start a pullback from this point, and from this level, from this 0.8682, we will be able to open buy. I see these two scenarios. I recommend to you to trade only near these two key levels, because here is everything is not good. Some guy wrote to me today about this currency pay, and that he is in a trouble, and that he opened sell entries, a lot of sell entries. Friends, always use stop losses, because sometimes when you write to me and ask that you made some trading decision and you are in loss, and you what to do, you need to understand that as a trader, it's a normal that price sometimes will hit your stop loss. It's okay. It's okay. That's why you need to use proper risk reward. You need to use proper stop loss. And even if you will have only 0.5% of position profitable, you will be you will make money. But you need to have proper math. That's why think about proper education, because I took a lot of message where guys blow out many thousand of those and didn't took enough knowledge. That's why think first what you need to do. Hmm. Okay, what else? Okay, Mihai, I changed connection. Tell me please, do you hear me or not? For me, it's important to understand. Is it good? How to find striking level? Okay. You can write to me about my education, and I will explain you how to find strong key levels, because it is not information for 5 minutes. It's a lot of stuff which you need to know. Okay, and because there are really a lot of ways how to draw levels, but you need to find really powerful one. Mm, British pound, as you see on this key level, this is example of key level because price made this powerful up move, changes downtrend, it's break point of change of trend. At this moment, British pound in downtrend, and what we can do, if the price will make a pullback to this key level, we can open sell to continue downward. That's all. And huge chance that price will continue down move till this paranormal candle. We will need to see how the price will react on this paranormal candle. 1.2666. Okay. There will be fake broke. We will be able to open some pullback, but better will be to open sell after pullback because price in this powerful downtrend, and it looks like British pound moving to retest this huge buy zone or even to continue down move. We will see what happened, but better will be to open sell after pullback. And after that, if the price will hit this zone, for example, 1.24, something like that, that will be really a powerful place to open by entry for a long term. Okay, I do face-to-face education, and if you are interested to in education, if you're interested to create your step-by-step system, if you want to learn how to build key levels, just write to me using this context right that I would like to learn your system, and first lesson is free. And first lesson is free for all those who attend this webinar. Just write that you are from webinar, and you will get. Information. You need to understand that ebooks doesn't works only feedback, because you can repeat one mistake for years and it will not change anything. You need to have a feedback, a guy, a mentor coach who saw more than you and will tell you that here you need to improve, here you need to improve, and only in that case you will rise. Is it advisable to take trades without confirmation? Like, for instance, in that GBP trade, what if I set a sell limit without having to care about if the broke was fake or real? It depends on your system. Everything depends on your system. For example, I wait on confirmation in my trading. I wait on confirmation. If you do not have that rule, you can trade without it. For me, it's important to see a confirmation. Okay, friends, write please here down what other currency pairs would you like to see, because it looks like uh, we took all of them, and we at this moment we can go to cryptocurrency pairs. Okay, and also I would like to take a look if there's something interesting. Also New Zealand dollar, let's take a look. New Zealand dollar also in downtrend. That's why a huge chance that price will continue this downtrend. That's all, and price will continue down move, and near this key level 0.6426 we will be able to open something, because it is October low and market respects such levels. Many traders hide their stop losses under such key levels. There could be powerful up move. As you see, many currency pairs against dollar, against United States dollar, goes to their really huge lows. That's why wait for it near this level. near this level, we will be able to open buy. It will be the best opportunity. Okay, friends, I think it's yes. Okay, let's do it. Will be the last currency pair: Australian dollar, Swiss franc. Uh, Indexes we will do after cryptocurrency pairs. Australian versus Swiss franc. Okay. hmm At this moment, price in this downtrend mostly will continue. Uh, Various key places from each price can bounce. Really, uh, I think this downtrend could continue. Best place to open some entry will be near this 0.68 level. Near this level will be the best place to open some buy entry. At this, I see there will be something like this. There will be some V formation like this. Everything will change only if the price will start from this place rising and will break up this level, 0.7024. If the price will do it, only in that case you will be able to open buy. Okay. Sorry to pause this again. Not if you have spoken on this. There was an issue, I guess. Forecast for simply when to buy and stop to sell. I see this move based on Trump's tweets. On Trump's tweets about when there are some war. Yes, market volume, market volatility rise, but you never know from which point price will start moving. You know that when there are some horrible news or huge news, you know that there will be volatility, but there is no sure that, for example, that volatility will be for up move or down move. That's why it's hard to count on some news. Okay, let's last week euro Australian dollar. Yes. Okay. Euro Australian dollar. Yes, friends, about Euro Australian dollar, I wrote about this idea that price broke up this key level, and also I post on trading your idea, and I still think that price will have enough potential to rise up. Um, if be honest, there is no good entry at this moment because price between two key levels, and we need to see how the price will react. Best will be if the price will make some pullback to this key level, and we will be able to open buy to continue this uptrend. It will be the best for this currency pairs. Okay, okay, friends. It's okay, friends. Let's do gold. Okay, let's do gold. Gold, if be honest, really tricky. Gold didn't do good stuff. Take a look what how gold moves this week. Huge chance that gold just will continue this down move. That's all. Because as you see, someone accumulate huge position on gold. I mean about the big players. They accumulate huge position on gold because so soon indexes could drop down, could make a powerful drop down. About gold, take a look. I thought that price would break up and will bounce from it, but it didn't happen. And if be honest, there is no good places where we can open entry on gold at this moment. Only open sell after some pullback, and you need to understand that price will be able to bounce it from border of this stuff. No good entries, not clear. When something really clear, I mostly try to write about it on my trading view page. Okay, about oil, as you saw, oil broke up this one candle range. For every one of you, I want to show you what is fake broke. Take a look. We have key level, price made, a fake broke. Tail, but eventually close under it. It is a fake broke. Um, take a look what happened on Friday. Price tried to broke up this range, but eventually come back. That's why I think that oil will continue fluctuate on this in this range. We need to see how the price will how price will react when it will approach 60 level and this level. That's why I recommend to you to open sell on opening near this level, near this level. Okay. Sir, what do you think about trading robots? If you like to answer. You need to understand that robots, yes, it is good. Many institutional traders use robots in their trading, but the biggest problem with that stuff, most of the robots will stop making money in a few months or half a year, something like that. Because when market feel robots, market can uh, change itself. I saw it many times because I worked one year with robots. I bought it on MQL5. That's why you can use robots if you are a developer and you are able to improve it. If you buy someone else robot, it will not bring you happiness in long term. Maybe in few months you will be in profit, but uh, eventually you that robot can blow out your account. Okay, friends, let's start. Let's go to crypto. Before it, I want to remind you one more that you can write to me about my education face to face, where I teach you how to trade properly, how to create system, how to analyze the market, where entry exit points, face to face. Just write to me, and we will discuss proper education. First lesson is for free for those who are on this webinar because I took many messages from different people from different people who show me things like they just blow out some money, they open bad position, and what to do, guys, when you made a mistakes, there are really very few options which you can do better is to attend some education, learn how to do everything properly, and after that trade properly. It will brings you more money in long term. Okay, let's do a cryptocurrency pairs. About Bitcoin, I post idea on TradingView. Here you can find my BTC idea. Yes, about Bitcoin. Friends, I think the price will, for start price, as you see in this range, and let's open volume. Hmm, I still think that price can make a pullback to key zone 5, this key zone 5,600, 800, something like that. Because take a look on this powerful down candle with huge volume. What structure do I see? There could be some range, up range, and from this sell zone you can open short. You can open short. First goal would be this level, 6,862. after that this level, and really when price will hit this place, this area, you will be able to open long-term entries, because you need to understand that there are always market cycles. Price made 100% up move from 1st April. Price was 4,865 and hit price hit it 8,300. Yes, more than 100% more. That's why it is really horrible to open buy here, because you do not go to buy a car after 100% price rising. You always wait on the discount. That's why we should wait on this discount. You can put buy limits from near these levels or near near even 5,000. Huge chance that price will come back to this area, because many traders open buy entries here, 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 here. And do you think big players will let them just make money if they will move Bitcoin far more up? Friends, I don't think you believe in that tales. Big players will take their positions. That's why I think that big players will came back for stop losses of all of those who open buy in this area. And only after that they will start some second up move. Right, please. Is it clear about Bitcoin, about cryptocurrency? Maybe some of you have huge chance that price will questions about cryptocurrency, about Bitcoin. Friends, right, please. Is it clear about cryptocurrency? Friends, I wait on your message. Good, good, and pleasure to read it. Okay, let's open Ripple. About Ripple is the same stuff. About the same stuff on all cryptocurrency pairs. You need to wait on some discount. Ripple will be good to open near this zone. Take a look on this huge up volume, and it happened when price broke up this low accumulation. That's why when Ripple will drop down, it will be good to open buy. Really here from 0.34 till 0.32, really good places to open buy on Ripple. Also, you can start open buy from this place, but better, believe me, better will be here, because if really Ripple will start some powerful up move, it will start from this place. And after that, when Ripple will make some up move, you will be able to hold it, because if all cryptocurrencies really will start, will continue this uptrend, you will be able to hold it even to 0.56. Okay, let's take a look on Stellar. Ava is okay. Okay, let's take a look on Stellar. hmm About Stellar, let's open lower time frame to see what's going on. Good, good, good. Market structure on Stellar, if be honest, looks far more better than on Ripple. Best will be to open buy after some pullbacks. I want to draw you key levels where you can open really good buy entries. Mm. You always need to understand when you want to hold cryptocurrency for a long term, better to do it after some discounts. Good key levels on Stellar is 0.12. After you can set buy stops, and if the price will hit your pending orders, you will have a good buy entry. And also this buy zone, it is far better buy zone 0.1084. It is really cool place where you can open a long-term buy. Okay, what other? And also clear. Please keep doing these webinars. Yes, I will do it. And also I have plans to record a webinar about my system, about how to find key levels on a chart really for free. But I need to understand, but I need to know that on that webinar there will be more than 100 100 or even 200 people on that webinar, because at this moment only 20 people looking for it. Okay, Mihai, thank you. Thank you for attending. It was a pleasure to see you here. See you soon. Okay, have a great weekends. Bye. Okay, let's take a look on some other major cryptocurrencies. I will do it far more quickly because uh, we will need to finish it. Okay, take a look, friends. For start, Bitcoin done, Ethereum. As I said, Ethereum also made big up move, and take a look on these volumes. It volumes brings into the market only when price made this down move. That's why it looks like someone closed their position, because take a look where price did it on this September high. That's why I still think that price will make a pullback, and it will be really good for us, because near 170 and 190 we will be able to open some long term and to open some buy. At this moment, it is not good to open buy. Yes, price can move up, but your position will be weak. What else? Bitcoin, Litecoin. As always, for start daily candles. Mhm. Litecoin, also take a look on this powerful uptrend, and what we can do is first take a look on this key level from which price bounced several times. You can open buy from this, but you need to know that if Bitcoin will do a pullback, most of the cryptocurrencies also will do it, and that's why I recommend to you first part of position you can open here, and second part you can open here in this buy zone. The best will be near 63 level to open really good buy entry, and to continue up move. Okay, friends, about cryptocurrency pairs, I think it's enough, because I don't see that every one of you would like to see some other cryptocurrencies. And let's take a look, and on S&P 500, as one dear friend wanted to do it. I want to take a look on S&P 500. Mhm. At this moment, S&P 500, as you see, price bounced from this historical high. And what going on at this moment? Oh, oh, huge chance that price will make a pullback into this area, and after that will continue downward. Best will be for long term near this zone to open sell. And also you need to take a look how the price moves in intraday, because yes, there are a lot of Trump tweets, something like that, but as you see, price moves in this in some channels. What you can do is just open entry near border of the channel to continue. Take a look here. Take a look on this channel. What you can do is just open entry after some pullback. For example, we have downward channel after pullback up near border, you open sell, open sell, open sell. Also, you need to count daily ATR because if price moves more than 100% of daily ATR, there are always a huge chance of pullback. Once more, after if the price will hit this area, we will be able to open long-term sell. At this moment, there is no accurate entry. That's why I cannot tell about it for you. About Dex. Take a look. Price bounced from this key level, as you see. Price bounced many times from it and bounced it again. At this moment, there is no entry because price in the middle between two key level. We need to find. We need to wait how the price will react on this level or on this level. If there will be some fake broke of this level, we will be able to open sell. If price will break up fixable, we will open buy. And the same here. If the price will break down and fix under, we will open sell. If there will be fake broke, we will open buy. Okay, friends, once more, remember that don't waste your time, save your money, save your energy, write about proper education or VIP signals. You can also join my VIP group where I send signals, where you can trade step by step with me, with better analysis, ask all questions, and also account management. Those who are tired of trading, you can write to me, and I can trade for you on only on profit shared basis. I will be able only to trade. I will not have a reason to do something bad with your account. Also, friends, write push like and write a feedback about this webinar. What you think about me and what you would like to see on future webinar. Okay, thank you for your time. Have a great trading. Share this video with your friends and bye. Bye, my friends.